Hi and welcome back to another video. So for today I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I kind of freestyled this design. I knew that I wanted to use pink and purple, so I went with those two colors. The only nail prep that I'm going to be doing today is pushing back my cuticles and also applying top coat instead of any primer or base coat so I could pop these off. So then I went in with a clear layer of polygel, and then I'm going to do that to all of my nails. I wanted to do a V-cut on the thumb, so I ended up doing that. And for the pointer, I wanted to do an ombre, and I did that for the pointer and for the ring finger. So to create this ombre, I went with a layer of pink first, and then I kind of faded it out towards the end so it could give me that ombre effect. And then I applied the purple, and I kind of slowed down the process here so you guys could see how I created this ombre, because to me this is a flawless ombre. Like, well, for me, like, you know, my flawless, because I struggle so much with ombres, but this one was definitely one of my favorites ombres I've ever done. It was so just blended in. It was so perfect. I loved it. And for my pinky, I did another V-cut, and then for my middle finger, I ended up with just purple. So I ended up encapsulating those two ombres to make sure that they don't get messed up. So then I filed and reshaped the nails a little bit, and there they are. And then I cleaned them with alcohol, and then I went in with my top coat to make them nice and shiny and smooth. So I made my own little flowers out of polygel. My first two were really bad, but the third and the fourth came out really nice. And then I made a fifth one, just because I didn't want it all white, so I made a fifth one to match the fourth one. and then they look kind of weird, so I ended up putting like gems in the middle so it could look like the little bud of the flower, and that turned out really nice and really makes the design pop. So then I went on with my MAKART foil glue and I applied it to my middle nail, and I did 2 coats. So I put 1 coat of foil glue and then I cured it, and then I did another one and then I cured it, and then I applied the foil. And with my cuticle pusher, I pushed it down to make sure that everything was transferred onto the nail. Everything transferred onto the nail, so it came out perfect. It was so pretty. So then I added top coat, and then I added some polygel to the flowers and applied them to the nail, and I cured them. And I wanted to add some gems to my V-cut, so I ended up doing that. And then I put more top coat on all of them just to make sure that they were nice and smooth. And this is how they turned out. I hope that you guys liked it. If you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.